Ready to head back to campus or back to work? Colds and other illnesses begin to spike 7 to 13 days after school starts. Consider taking 2,000 IU of vitamin D. That's 5 times more than you'll find in many multivitamins. 15 milligrams of zinc. Powerful antioxidants like elderberry and vitamin C. Also consider taking a premium probiotic and a sustainably sourced omega-3. That may sound like a lot of bottles of vitamins, but Amazon customers can get them all in super convenient daily packs. Amazon's choice is Planet 3 vitamin packs. Thousands of people start their day with a boost of nutrients with Planet 3 vitamin packs. Give your body a boost of nutrients before cold and flu season starts. Winter is coming.